हॉटेलांतल्या पहिल्या संपर्काक प्रशिक्षण दिवपा खातीर प्रवास व्यापार आणि आतिथ्य भागधारकांक संवेदनशीलताय कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडली। हे बसकेक अंजुना पीआय, प्रसाद देसाई आणि म्हापशेचो एसडीपीओ जिवबा दळवी हाजीर आशिल्ले। हाऊसकीपिंग विभाग, फ्रंट ऑफिस विभाग, डोरमॅन, बेल बॉय, सुरक्षा प्रवास व्यापार व्यावसायिक, ऑटो कोच, टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर, यादस्तीक दुकानदार आणि हेर जे एप्रिल 2023 दिसा जावपी G20 वेळार सेवात आसतले। हॉटेल फ्रंट ऑफिस, फूड अँड बेवरेज आणि हेराचे प्रतिनिधी या कार्यावळीक हाजीर आशिल्ले। थळावे प्रवासी, खास करून फुर्सती क्षेत्रात वाढ जाल्ल्यान ह्या वर्सा या उद्देगाक पहिलीच चालना मेळ्ळ्या आणि G20 वांगडा संवसारीक आगमन वाडटली, जाका लागून ह्या क्षेत्राक आनीक चालना मेळटली अशें उद्देग तज्ञाचे मत आसा। देखून 2023 वर्साचो नदर उजवाड आणि आशादायक आसा।
आज आम्ही विथ माय पीआय प्रशांत देसाई आणि हांवें मिटींग कॉल आउट केल्ली ऑफ ऑल द रेस्टॉरंट ओनर्स अँड हॉटेल ओनर्स अँड दे वे सेन्सिटाइज्ड that what precautions we should do take so that the tourists coming in Goa are feel comfortable. I have requested them that if any small incident happens, before it can flare up, before the group is formed, they should inform the police. As I told, some people are not enrolled in the WhatsApp group, so they have requested to enroll their name in the WhatsApp group. So we are active on the WhatsApp group also, so that the 112 calls, if you make, it takes more time to reach to PI. If the WhatsApp group is made, PI can immediately see the WhatsApp group and then immediately send the staff also. See, Honorable CM has told us that because exams are going on, 10th standard and 12th standard, so we are shutting down the music so that student can study. And but legally also, as per the guidelines, no outdoor music can be carried beyond 10 o'clock. But special precaution we have taken so that student which is staying in the tourist belt, they can concentrate on studies. So we are closing down the music so that everybody should study.
आता हॉटेला भितरूच जाला, आता भायरूय खूबशे इन्सिडंट जाता। एक म्हणटा ते काल एक मॉलेस्टेशन जाल्ले, हे भायले इन्सिडंट कशे क्राक डावन करपाचे चिंतला मिड नाईट?
What I told you is that we have in this incident we acted very promptly. Even yesterday also we registered one FIR against one man from Jammu, where he has given bad words and threatening one lady. So I have told them small complaints which are coming on the person, complaints of the victim where the lady is there, where complaint is a lady, we will see that we register FIR against the accused person, we arrested. The message is very clear and sorted out that offences against the ladies will not be tolerated. So we have arrested that person and he is in judicial custody.
गोवा 365 खातीर समीप नार्वेकार, समृता खणगावकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।